Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond. Overall, the market was down today. SPY is down, Dow is down, NASDAQ is down, and Bed Bath & Beyond is also down because of that. There's a lot of selling going on for the stock. Again, this is not short selling. This is essentially people taking their profit or maybe minimizing their losses. Maybe they're losing faith in the stock. Overall, this is definitely not institutions trying to short the or bring down the stock in any way, shape, or form. This is definitely just retail investors or institutions for that matter coming out of the position. Let's talk about the reason I say this. So let me show you guys the CTB right now. CTB is the cost to borrow is down. It's steadily coming down. What cost to borrow, if you don't know, when a company is not doing good and the stock price is going to go down eventually, institutions will borrow the stock. They will short the stock in the market, wait for the stock price to go down. When the price goes down, they buy back the share from the market, pay the broker the fee and the share, take home the profit. So basically, it's down, which means that they're not really shorting. If it was higher, if the fee was higher, that means there's a lot of a demand from institutions to the brokers that, hey, I need X amount of shares that want to short. So if the fee is down, that means the stock is doing okay. It's not going to go down drastically, and nobody's believing the stock should go down drastically. As far as the institutions' holdings, they're still consolidating around 46.28%, which makes me believe that whatever is happening today, this is a natural course of business for the market and not really manipulation or any of that sort. So I still believe the stock is going to have an upward momentum. However, as I've been saying, I've been showing you on my levels, I do have some immediate levels. I have a low from January, which is a demand area. Demand area is where the price gets to that point, and there's a lot of buyers are sitting at that point saying that, hey, I think the price of the stock at $1.60 is good. I'm going to get it at that price. A lot of investors will think that, and eventually the cost, it would bounce off of that level and go up. What supply means is there's a lot of sellers sitting on that level thinking that, okay, when somebody comes to this place, this level, $1.77, I'm going to sell on my stock. I want to be out of that position. I want to minimize my loss, or I want to gain that position where he bought it at 160. You want to make that couple of cents and want to be out of that position. So this would be supply level. So I have a couple of supply levels here, as you see here. I have a supply level of $2.30, $2.04, $1.77, and a lot of demand at $1.60 and a lot of demand at $1.27. Again, I can anticipate the stock to come down a little bit, natural course of business, not really shorting or not anything else. Overall, I do think the stock is going to come up. Again, you have to go by the levels. And again, you got to respect these levels and you got to play them as you see them levels. So definitely take a look, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.